What's up? Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, so that means Ben gets to drive. Wait, is it Thursday? Yeah, I think it's Thursday. Let me check my phone. And we're at Thursday. Okay, so here's what the schedule looks like today. I'm kind of up kind of early. Prospect drivers meeting and see prospect practice at 11. So that means got to get the car all figured out, which I think for the most part everything's figured out. Sorting out, doing an alignment on the rear this morning, trying to make sure that the thrust angle is about straight as possible. We'll end up seeing. So right now I'm just taking some measurements and checking the length of the tie rods and see if I can get the whole car kind of centered. It seems kind of off just a tad bit, but we'll see what happens. Yeah.
It must have been like right there.
Checking, putting some gas, filling it up. What kind of gas fuel we're running?
Ignite 114.
Ignite 114. Okay. Other than that, hopefully it's a good practice day. So what happens. Got my little book. I'm writing things from BC Racing. Just taking notes so I can remember everything that's changed along the way so far. Trying to center up the car because we don't know what thrust angle is, so basically got taking measurements from here to here, from here to here, and then just trying to get like a good analyze it, I guess. I don't know, try to it's kind of hard when when all you have is a measuring tape. And then from there I'm gonna just toe plate it. I'm almost close to done. Probably taking me like a good 45 minutes to do all this. Yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna put it on the ground and then roll it and then recheck with the plates and see how bad it is, see how good it is, and then we'll know whether to make another adjustment or it should be good to go. So I'm hoping it'll be good to go on this one because I'm tired of rolling around on the ground. Harrison's not doing anything.
I hope a teeny bit with pushing. I put the plate measure.
You hold the plate.
Use the tape measure.
Thanks, Kendra. I'm on Nick Novak. What are you doing? Organizing.
Nice.
Oh! Are you ready?
As ready as you'll get.
As ready as you'll get, huh? Alright.
Car looks good.
Yeah, it's looking better than it ever did at like RTS or anything. Looks a lot better. Yeah, where are the skirts, man?
Literally just pulling out.
Okay. Looking good. Looking good. Okay. Yep. Your dash display's on.
No, it's not.
Okay, now it's not. Okay. Did you guys do a lot of work? What's new? Tell us about it.
Style. Mechanically, it's all pretty much the same except the 4-speed.
4-speed. Okay, back to 4-speed. No more 6XD. Okay. Did you have fun working? I saw you working. You're beat. This is what I do every day of my life.
I know.
It's not fun. Makes you extra tired.
The cumulative stuff.
Yeah.
In as small of a time period as it was.
Yes. But so far, it looks like it's paying off. It looks really good. Looking like a drift car. It honestly does look a lot better than it did before. I like it.
I like it a lot too.
Yeah. Did you guys turn down power, keep power the same? Have you got to try these?
Yeah.
How did they do?
Better than the 1, 2, 3s.
No way. Really? Oh, okay, well, that's exciting. We're here checking people out. Okay, checking out. We just got done walking around Drift HQ.
Supra. That thing's pretty cool.
Yeah, with the 2J. Just chilling. Nothing's really started yet, but I think I've already finished all my work. What's going on here? The headlight looks like it's like falling out. Yeah, someday maybe it'll be a flex. Oopsie, sorry camera. God damn it. See, this is why I gotta watch what I say. Oh, we got a young David working. A young David, is he working? Are you working?
Kind of.
Yeah, what are you doing? Zip tying stuff. Okay, you're a pro at that.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit. Chilling. Oh, this thing looks great. I need carbon fiber. Whoa, look at that. This car's awesome. Looks a little beat up, but still awesome. Hell yeah. About to go down. Holy hell. Here we go. All my dudes out here getting it. You ready, big dog? Yeah? Harrison, you ready? Yeah. Y'all ready or what? Come on, get some excitement, boys. Oh, we got Joel out here. He ready. We all ready. What up? Boom. Okay. Nick's ready. Nick, you ready? Do a checkup. Make sure everything's legit. There, cut it off. I'm gonna crawl in the back and check your springs. Okay, so yeah, that was solid. How's the back feel? Stable? Does the back feel stable? Like the alignment and everything? Yeah. Yeah? Okay. We're about to change it up a little. Okay, so I can see that we can go a little bit softer on this rear spring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, oh yeah, let's keep pushing them. Woo! Yeah, I see that. But we gotta make it last 2 runs. Oh, it's at 30? Then let's drop it at 20. Okay, I can look up there. Okay, so that one's really close. So I'm just gonna drop 2 clicks right there. And then I'm gonna reset the bump stop. Let's do it again. It already fell off, the bumper fell off. God damn it. We're gonna pull in and check some shit out and see how it goes, and gotta check on how the coils are doing, gotta change tires, gotta put some ice on it, all sorts of stuff. Woo! Alright. first practice session, everything went well. Now we got the car up on jack stands. Just gonna check nut and bolt everything, make sure we're good to go for the second practice. That's at 4 to 6. 4 to 6. So I'm gonna get my little Cressy wrenches that I found. Yep. And see what I can find to make sure that everything's bolted good. Oh gosh. Yeah, okay. Whoa, just a little snug. See, this is why we bolt check everything. Bolt check everything and make sure everything's good. It doesn't have to be super tight, just good peelings. Oh yeah. Hopefully y'all can see that. Okay. Everything's always quality checking because you never know with the drift car what's gonna come loose. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Good. Always bolt check. Oh, look, another one. Okay, just a little snug, not too tight. Not trying to kill it. Look at all this tire, man. Look at that. It's crazy, huh? This freaking tire. Tire gets everywhere. Okay, now we're gonna check the front bolts. Oh, my favorite things to check on S chassis are these two. They're always come loose because of all the vibrations. Oh, maybe I'll just check with this guy. Let's see. Okay, let's see. See, just a little bit. So I'll get a little slack. Boom. Good to always check that shit. And I think that's gonna be it for right now. Hopefully we eat. All right, well, it's gonna be the second practice session for the day. We did a bunch of stuff. We changed out the supercharger water, ice tank water. We nut and bolted, got fresh tires, and what else did we do? Cleaned off all the old tires, re-secured some body panels. Looks like he had a little scrape with the wall, and yeah, other than that, cleaning stuff up, making sure it's good to go, and checking all this stuff, and looks like we're good. So expecting a smooth second practice, and yeah, that'll be it. Probably get about 4 runs, maybe a little bit more, we don't know yet. Maybe add a little bit positive camber, I don't know. Pro 1 people are getting ready to practice. This thing needs to get an oil change and some new tires put on it. But I should have a good clip to insert with following Nick Novak. That was some pretty good runs. good wear right here, so looking pretty good. Maybe clean it up right there. And yeah, hopefully got some shit for you.